Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Fan Man Steve here once again. It is Monday the 25th, and I've got a little something cool to show you today. Uh, this is my 1990s, my late 1990s Lakewood box fan here, and I did something very creative today. Something really cool. Uh, a fellow fan collector on Facebook had a Holmes box fan. It has the same style blade set as this that has the ring going around it, and he basically just cut all of the slots out going there in the hub. And I think he did it to give it, like a vintage look. Some of the other liquid box fans that you saw that had the holes in the hub like this, they were also easier to oil. It's easier to oil it like this, and it's also going to give it the benefit of cooling the motor. And there it is. This is my little project today. It took me a while to get done. And here are the slots that go to it. This is the tool that I used, the little knife that I used. I think it looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. I'm going to start it up here on low speed first. It's pretty cool. Looks a lot cooler on camera. It looks pretty cool up close and person too. But yeah, you can see the inside of that motor. Let's knock it up to medium. Okay, now we'll kick it up to high. Looks pretty cool as it's spinning down through the camera. I do have pics of this that I posted on Facebook, and if you're interested in seeing that, go to Facebook and go to I Heart Fans Group, and you should see it right there. And check out Val Morris's pic too. Well, there you go, everybody. There's a quick little video of a little project that I did with my Lakewood box fan today, and that's really gonna be helpful there. I think that it's really cool having a box fan to where you can see the motor with it running at the same time. Honestly think it looks pretty cool. Well, post in comments, like, subscribe, more videos to come, and bye bye.